Alright, in this video I'm just going to give you a brief overview of the Clear app, how you can access some of the different features and find your way around. So from the main dashboard, you'll see it populates some channels here at the bottom, and then also populates some of the movies up here. But at the very bottom are your main options. This is your settings. Here you can search for something. This lets you look at previously viewed things. This brings you right here to the home. Then channels brings you to the list of channels, and you can go through different categories of channels, and you can toggle from a view here where they're real big or where you make them smaller without the preview window. And then you just go and you can select the different categories, and you can just go to that channel and watch it. And when you're on the channel, if you press up, it brings up a menu at the top. And from here you can record the channel, you can add it to your favorites, you can check subtitles, you can add subtitles. You can go to the settings, which is allow you to lock it out with the child lock. You can do quad view, which lets you populate 4 different shows at once on the screen. And you can also do a mini guide, and that'll tell you what's on the channel, give you information about it. Allows you to record it, etc. If you press down on the remote while you're on the channel, it shows you what channel you're on, and it also tells you a little bit about the show and everything else. Now if we go back, you can see down the bottom, TV guide brings up a graded guide. And you'll notice everything that has a red dot is channels that are able to be recorded. And you just find out what channel you want to go to. And this red light here shows you what time it is within the guide. So it's 9:24. And then just to go to the channel, you just click on it and it populates the channel and goes to the channel. And we'll go back. Movies. So you got this category here, which has a bunch of different movies in it. So you can do fantasy, new release, horrors, whatever. Bunch of different movies. They're listed A to Z, and you can change that as well. And then 24/7 is 24/7 channels. So there's kids ones. There's movie 24/7 channels, and there's TV show 24/7 channels as well. And you can just go to those channels through there, play it. Same thing, if you press up, it'll give you some options that are available, and down will tell you what you're watching. And that's it. You just want to make sure that when you're done watching that you log out, and that way you're not using this and the connection is available to be used on a different device.